Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are new here, please make sure that you like, comment, and also subscribe to the channel. I share entertainment, news, celebrity gossip. If you are someone who likes umgosi, this is the channel for you. Guys, I recently came across something that is confusing. So we all know Mosi Mpumelelo Mseleku, who is Musa Mseleku's son. They have their own reality show, Izingane Zesithembu, which is something that is like, I don't know, guys. I don't know. But everyone is talking about that show. Everyone is just loving the show. Okay, not everyone, because I also don't like the show. But nje, most of the people, they enjoy watching the show. They like the show. We all know Guti. Um, in the recent season, Umpumelelo Mseleku got married to Amahle, who became the first wife, not even married, like Lobolad. And then she became the first wife, and then at the end of the season, Umpumelelo Mseleku engaged Utirelo, who is the second girlfriend slash baby mama, and then she became the second. I don't know. She's going to become the second wife once they get married. Ne? Now I'm checking Amahle, who is the first wife that got Lobolad. So apparently this girl got Lobolad within 5 months, guys. And the person that is going to be the second wife has been there. Like Ugel has been there. They even have a child together. But Ugai decided to Tiena. He is going to pay Lobola for the person that he met 5 months ago, which is a personal choice. I don't see anything wrong with that. So Kesana, now I'm checking girl who got Lobolad. I'm checking her Instagram. I don't know why I decided to go there. And I'm realizing good how girl deleted her Lobola pictures. The pictures where she was getting Lobola Tony by the husband, fiance, angazi. But where she was getting Lobola by Umpumelelo Mseleko. The pictures are gone, guys. The pictures are gone. There are no pictures that says hey, this girl was lobolat. Now I'm thinking Utaibo is Utandwa's team. I mean not Utandwa's team. Is this show Izingane team a scam? Are they acting and then deceiving us? Because also there was a rumor that Utirelo, who is the second girlfriend that got engaged, ne? So she got engaged after the first person was lobolat. So she was going to be the second wife. There were also rumors ukuthi Ugel got lobolat a long time ago. So what they are showing us on the show is not it. They are just portraying an image yokuthi hi, this is the engagement. Uguy can't engage manje. Kanti into yakudala, guys. Like, why are they doing this to us now? And manje, when they continue doing other seasons, we are not even going to trust them most because these people are liars. Why are they lying to us? Sana. So now it seems like, I don't know, it seems like apparently, allegedly, it was a scam just to keep the show going, to keep the viewers going. Because why would you delete your Lobola pictures? Like, why would you delete your Lobola Day pictures? Even if we have an argument at home, I wouldn't. Why would I delete my Lobola Day pictures? Make it make sense, guys, because at this point, it doesn't make sense. I don't know, guys. Please leave a comment in the comment section down below. Do you guys think Izingane Zesithembu is scripted? Do you guys think they are acting? Because now they are playing with our feelings, Pella, if that's true. But yes, Anna, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me, what do you think of today's topic? I will see you on my next one. Bye.